Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through how to add packs to Ableton Live. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open Ableton Live and navigate to the side browser. Within the browser, you'll find various categories, one of which is called Places. Under Places, you'll see Packs. If you're using Ableton Live 11, you'll find all available packs here. I don't have any packs bought on my account, that's why I am not seeing anything here, but you will. What you need to do is simply click the download arrow next to the pack you want to install. Wait for the download to complete, then click Install when prompted. Once installed, you'll see a detailed view of the pack and its content on the right side of the screen. Now you're ready to use your new pack. For free packs downloadable from Ableton's website, enter the Packs section and click on Free. Download the pack you want, then double-click the ALP file. This will install the pack and add it to your packs for immediate use. Now let's talk about packs from other sites that might not be in the ALP format. Even if a pack doesn't have the ALP format, it's still usable. Create a folder on your computer and name it anything you want. Now go back to Ableton Live, click Add Folder in the browser, and select the folder containing your packs. This adds the Packs folder to your Places, making its content accessible in Ableton Live. And there you have it. That's how you add packs to Ableton Live. Enjoy exploring your new sounds and enhancing your music production experience.